It's Friday. Hi. Hello, welcome back to Perfect Choice Nursery's YouTube channel. My name is Paula and today I'm just gonna do a little quick update on what's happening at Aroid Greenhouses. I haven't been posting in a very long time. I've been taking a break. I feel like I needed that for my mental health. I had a creativity block. So now I do want to get back into the groove of things. This week we are preparing for TPIE, Tropical Plant International Expo. It's a trade show for industry wholesalers, growers, businesses. It's very similar to FNGLA and that's gonna be right here if you haven't checked that out. But it's gonna be a lot of fun and I feel like it'll be a great way for me to start posting again. I'm currently at Aroid Greenhouses farm. We are expanding and we have a brand new greenhouse here. This greenhouse is actually filled with totems, moss poles, cocoa core poles, and all of the plants that we are repotting, we are adding these cocoa core poles. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit right now so you can take a look. You can see here. Hi. Another update. Unfortunately, we had someone steal from us on Monday at Perfect Choice Nursery. It was very upsetting. It happened right in front of my face and I still haven't been able to get over that. It is Friday right now and it happened on Monday. It sucks because I was very motivated to start working up my TikTok game, my Instagram game, my YouTube game, and that whole incident just completely threw me off and I'm still feeling really hurt by it all. I've actually started getting anxiety when I'm looking at some cameras. I don't know how to let go of it yet. I'm trying to figure that out, but if I have to make a video for me to feel better, I'm probably gonna do that. Let me know if you want a video about the security and what happened. I have alerted authorities and also other garden centers. That person's definitely not coming back to our nursery, and if we're not gonna be their target anymore, they're gonna choose another garden center to be their target, and I don't want that to happen. That is why I told other garden centers from all the way up to West Palm Beach to all the way down to the Keys. Just trying to do my part for the plant community, and hopefully I start feeling better soon. Another thing, now that I'm finally getting back into the groove of filming and posting again, I would love to know any ideas that you guys have. At the moment, I am really enjoying doing vlog types of videos, maybe weekly or daily. I love editing those types of videos. I find them a lot of fun and pretty soothing and relaxing. So if you have any ideas, anything that you want to know, comment down below and I could try to do that. I want to walk around and kind of show you a few more things that are new here in our greenhouse. We have some grow lights. We have some tarps that are covering some of our plants because it is getting a little colder here in Florida. I know if I say cold here in South Florida and you're watching this video from up north, you're like, that's not cold. I get it, but the plants are cold and the plants don't like being cold. So we have to take care of that. Let me see how many degrees it is right now. It is 68 degrees. Look, and I'm in like my tank top and stuff, but it's actually really good weather and it's not hot. I feel like there's a fat chance for me to be sweating, so it's pretty refreshing. I think now's a good time to start showing you guys around. There's a lot of construction happening here at the greenhouse, so before more loud noises happen, I'm gonna stop right here and talk to you guys later. Got a love for another one. Got a love for another one. It's so weird, I'll let go. In the future, this is actually going to be opened up and we're going to have some more greenhouse happening. It's pretty fun. Now let's check out the greenhouse and I'll show you our brand new grow lights that we installed for winter. Ready to feel the warmth of the greenhouse. So it was 68 degrees outside. I'm going to show you how many degrees it is inside the greenhouse. Huge difference. The grow lights are on. So So you can see here that we added some grow lights into our greenhouse. It is winter, so there is less sunlight during the day. So this was like a great new addition. It's definitely helped our plants and it kept them warmer. I don't know exactly what type of grow lights we have, so once I figure that out, I will post it on our description box below. So if you are interested, you get them, why not? Oh my God, that is perfection. What? Hi, hello, I love you. Oh my goodness. Our Perus are looking very beautiful too. A lot of really pretty variegation. Now that I have acclimated to the greenhouse weather, I'm actually kind of nervous to go outside. I'm gonna be pretty cold. Guys, I'm a South Floridian girl. I get cold very easily. Okay, it's not that bad. It actually feels really refreshing. I'm into this. I could do this. Okay, good news. I could handle 68 degrees with a tank top on. So right now I am inside of our middle greenhouse. I don't really go inside this greenhouse that often. I kind of want to look for some pretty leaves for me to take pictures of, anything that really stands out. So I could post it on Aroid Greenhouses story and also maybe even here on the YouTube channel. All right, let's take a look. Guys, look how fuzzy! The fuzz! Look at all these beautiful new leaves. One of my favorite, I need to sneeze. Okay, I'm back. One of my favorite things about our soil is that we do reuse a lot of our soil mixes, so I feel like there's always surprises in our soil, and string of turtles are always the biggest surprise. Let me show you. Here we have this philodendron, and then inside is the string of turtles. Just hanging out, thriving. Look how cute this is. It's like a little tree. Hi. Oh my goodness. Kind of reminds me of Groot. I found a cat. Here's a little sneak peek of what's to come at TPIE. But I'm only gonna show you a little bit, okay? Enjoy! All right, that's all you get. So this is how it looks when it gets cold out. We cover our plants with these large tarps. They're kind of like a velvety feel. Yeah, they're not. I actually thought that they were plastic, but they're not. It's like a velvet. It's like a felt. But this helps with the cold. Okay. All right, I'm going to be ending the vlog here. Thanks so much for spending the afternoon with me and for listening to all of my updates. If you've made it this far, please subscribe, comment, like, and also make sure you stay tuned with all of our content and follow us on Perfect Choice Nursery's Instagram, Aroid Greenhouses Instagram, and also Perfect Choice Nursery's TikTok account. All right, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you next week. Bye! You pretended not to see me or you didn't see me?
No, no, no te vi. De verdad que no.